darkness. If therefore the light that is indeed a darkness, how great is the darkness?
马太福音
Matthew 6:23 The lamp of thy body is thine eye. When thine eye is single, thy whole body also is full of light, but when it is evil, thy body also is full of darkness.
路加福音
Luke 11:34
你只有一只眼进入永生，强如有两只眼被丢在地狱的火里点。
It is good for thee, you, to enter into life with one eye, rather than having two eyes to be cast into the hell of fire.
马太福音
Matthew 18:9
试问，是用左眼还是右眼上天堂进入永生呢？肉眼早晚会毁坏的，如何使人上天堂呢？
After reading the above verses, some questions may arise. For example, should we enter heaven and attain eternal life through the left eye or right eye? Since the eyes of this physical body will deteriorate one day, how can they help us return to heaven?
玄关跳仪被点开后，好好的修持，久而久之，身体内外真的会光明，连毛细孔都会发出光来。尤其是真修持练得到心前贤，只是我们的肉眼看不到而已。